Welcome. In front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and memory card. So to get started, we're gonna take out the SIM tray, locate it in here, and you will need something like a little pin and needle that you usually get with the phone. So you can put it in here and press it for the tray to come out. Okay, and once you take it out, you will see that it has little markings right here, how to basically align the SIM cards and the memory card. So take the SIM card and you will basically put it with the little cutout right here, where I have like this bigger part. And if you're putting two SIM cards, it goes all the same way, just right next, right here. Okay, and if instead of two SIM cards you want to put in a memory card, so I'm gonna put that in. Goes like this. And then you can just slide it back into the phone. Okay. As you can see, the SIM card is already recognized, and memory as well, but just to show you, I'm gonna open here and see, SD card. So both of them are working, and so that's how we do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.